Hello students. Now let us see the conversion of binary to hexadecimal and hexadecimal to binary. Let us take a binary number, say 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 1. Now the rule is divide this number into groups of 4. Divide this number into groups of 4. So what is our number? 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 1. First group, second group, third group. But third group you have only one number. No problem. What you will do? Add 3 zeros in front. So the thing remains the same basically. Okay. Now individually convert these into decimal. Okay. Now let us see individual conversion. How do we convert binary to decimal? Binary to decimal. Binary to decimal. What do we do in order to convert? We multiply by increasing powers of 2. So let us take the first one, 1 0 0 1. So it will be 1 into 2 to the power 0 plus 0 into 2 to the power 1 plus 0 into 2 to the power 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power 3. So this is the conversion of 1 0 0 1. So what are we going to get? 8 0 0 1. So what do we get? 9. Right? What is the second number? Second number is 0 1 0 1. So it is 0 1 0 1. So that is equal to 1 into 2 to the power 0 plus 0 into 2 to the power 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power 2 plus, do we need to write this? It will give us 0 only. So 0 plus 4 plus 0 plus 2. No, it will be 1. And we get from here 5. Right? And the first number 0 0 0 1. So what from here, what are we going to get? Obviously we will get 1. 1 into 2 to the power 0, that is equal to 1. So what are the numbers we got from here? 1. Here we got 5. Here we got 9. So what is the answer? Final answer 159 base 16. So this is our final answer. This is how we convert binary to hexadecimal. So what is the conversion process? You have to make groups of 4. If any number left where we cannot make group of 4, then obviously add zeros in front. Adequate number of zeros. How many are required? 1 0 2 0 3 0, whatever. After that, individually convert the groups into decimal and then simply join them. And we get the hexadecimal equivalent of binary. Okay, so this is how we convert binary to hexadecimal. Okay, now let us convert hexadecimal to binary. Hexadecimal to binary. Let us do this. So let us take any hexadecimal number. Say we take 6A. It's a hexadecimal number. Base 16. Right? 6A. What is A in hexadecimal? A in hexadecimal is 10. So basically this number then stands for 6 and 10. Now individually we have to convert them to binary. Individually 6 and 10 individually. So what we will do? We will take first 6. How do we convert decimal to binary? Dividing by 2. So 2, 3, remainder 0, 2, 1, remainder 1. So from here we get 1, 1, 0. Right? Next, what do we have? We have 10. So let us convert 10 to 5. It is going to give us 0. To 2. It is going to give us 1 and 2, 1, 0. So 1, 0, 1, 0. So here we get 1, 1, 0. Here we get 1, 0, 1, 0. Now simply combine them. So what is the answer which we get? 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Right? This is how we convert hexadecimal to binary. Individually take the numbers and then convert them into decimal and then combine them. Now what will happen if we get something like this? Say we get a number A6. We get a number A6. That means it's the opposite. Right? So what is A? A is 10. So A is 1010 and 6 is 110. Right? But here, how many bits we have? 3. So in order to make this 4, now the answer will change to 1010 0110, because we know that we have to keep the 4-bit methodology in this case also. So that's all in this conversion from binary to hexadecimal and hexadecimal to binary. Thank you.